What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, want to just do a quick hit and show you something that I just picked up. This is by Clean Dreams. And it may look like a dollhouse prop, but it's not. It is a kitchen sponge holder right there. So I'm just going to pull off the band here. And what you get is this little plastic bed. Pretty traditional looking. What's interesting is it has pillows there too, and they are molded into the headboard. It's all kind of a matte white plastic. But then the mattress is a kitchen scrub brush. Look at this. You know, it's like one of those standard Brillo type of brushes. The yellow is a softer material. The green is a coarser, harder material. And you can see that when you take it out, those pillows stay right there. But when you're done with the brush, you can slide it right back in there, and it looks like a little bed, so it adds a little bit of hominess to your kitchen sink. I probably wish there was maybe more drainage in the bottom of the bed, that this would kind of have holes in it or something like that, but I suppose on the counter you would rather the tray catch the water, and as you can see, because it fell out, the little box spring portion there is a kind of a separate piece, but just goes in there like that. Hey, if you want to dress up your kitchen, make it cute, maybe you have little tiny people, well, you could definitely pick this up. It's by OTOTO, and it's pretty inexpensive. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.